Today, we're going to talk about one of the most critical and misunderstood insurances that manufacturers in South Florida need to have. If your clients design, produce, or sell products, this is a topic you don't want to miss. Product liability insurance. What is product liability insurance? Essentially, this is the insurance that covers businesses if their product were to cause damages or injure someone. Things like manufacturing defects, design flaws, or inadequate warnings on products. Without this coverage in place, a claim resulting from any of those three can wipe out your client's business. Here's a quick example. One of your clients, a toy manufacturer, faces a product recall after several children are injured by a design flaw. The recall cost hundreds of thousands of dollars, but because they have the right product liability insurance in place, they can avoid the financial disaster of dealing with a recall. As an independent insurance agency, we can partner with you to help you look like the trusted advisor and better serve your clients. Here are a few of the ways we can help. We can ensure that their insurance limits adequately match the risk they have. We review policy exclusions. Not all product liability policies are made the same. The exclusions can make or break your client's business at the time of a claim. And lastly, we encourage regular vendor contract reviews with their vendor partners and also their suppliers. At The Bunker, we specialize in helping product liability insurance easy, not only for the manufacturers, but also for the advisors that serve them. Whether you're helping them with policy audits, navigating claims, or just offering to review their coverage, at The Bunker, we're ready to help. Click the link below to download our free guide on the 5 top risks that manufacturers face, and we're happy to help you move your clients from danger to a safe place.